हेलो एवरीवन। इस वीडियो में हम बात कर रहे हैं अबाउट AIPMT प्री 2011 के बायोलॉजी के क्वेश्चंस के बारे में। ओके, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इसमें कह रहा है व्हाट विल यू लुक फॉर टू आइडेंटिफाई द सेक्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग। तो इसका होगा हमारा मेल शार्क क्लैस्पर्स बोर्न ऑन पेल्विक फिन्स। नेक्स्ट, फिलिफॉर्म apparatus is a characteristic feature of, so it is of synergids. Jaya and Ratna developed for green revolution in India are the varieties of, these are the varieties of rice. A prokaryotic autotrophic nitrogen fixing symbiont is found in, it is found in Cycas. One very special feature in the earthworm Pheritema is that, so it is the typhosol greatly increases the effective absorption area of the digested food in the intestine. तो यहाँ पे ग्राफ शो किया हुआ है। What type of human population is represented by the following age pyramid? तो इस एज पिरामिड की हेल्प से हम क्या ऑब्जर्व करते हैं कि ये किस तरीके का पॉपुलेशन का है। सो इट इज ऑफ डिक्लाइनिंग पॉपुलेशन। Mass of living matter at a tropic level in an area at any time is called, it is known as standing crop. तो यहाँ पे एक सीक्वेंस दिया हुआ है GAATTC। तो क्या है ये? एक पैलिंड्रोमिक सीक्वेंस है और किसका है ये? EcoR1 का। The most common substrate used in distilleries for the production of ethanol is, so that is molasses. Ground tissue includes, तो ground tissue में क्या आते हैं इनमें से? All tissues except epidermis and vascular bundles. Eutrophication is often seen in, so it is seen in case of freshwater lakes. Which one of the following element in plant is not remobilized? So it is calcium. Where will you look for the sporozoites of the malarial parasite? So these are observed in saliva of infected female Anopheles mosquito. First, okay. Himgiri developed by hybridization and selection for disease resistance against rust pathogen is a variety of, तो किसकी variety है ये? Wheat. Of the total incident solar radiation, the proportion of PAR photosynthetically active radiations, तो क्या होगा इसका? It will be less than 50%. Which one of the following is not a part of renal pyramid? So it is convoluted tubules. Which one of the following expanded forms of the following acronyms is correct? So it is IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. Which one of the following pair of gases are the major cause of greenhouse effect? So these are CO2 and N2O. Okay. Which one of the following condition correctly describe the manner of determining the sex in the given example? So it is X0 type of sex chromosome determine करते हैं male sex in grasshopper. Next, nucellar polyembryony is reported in species of citrus. Important site for formation of glycoproteins and glycolipids is, so it is Golgi apparatus. Which one of the following is not a biofertilizer? So it is agrobacterium. Secondary sewage treatment is mainly it is a biological process. At which stage of HIV infection does one usually show symptoms of AIDS? When HIV replicates rapidly in helper T cells and damage large number of T helper cells. In which one of the following pollination is autogamous? So it is in case of क्लिस्टोगैमी. यहाँ पे फिगर शो किया हुआ है. So In which of the option given below the one part A, B, C and D is correctly identified along with its functions? उनके functions के regarding ये correctly identified हैं. Okay, so it is second. जो A है वो show कर रहा है किसको? alveolar cavity, जो कि क्या है? main site of exchange of respiratory gases. Okay, then bundle of His is a part of which one of the following organ in human beings? So it is part of heart. Which of the following is mainly produced by the activity of anaerobic bacteria on sewage? So it is Mars gas. Okay. The eyes of potato tuber are, तो क्या है? Axillary buds. Match the source gland with its respective hormone as well as function. तो कौन सा इनमें से मैच करता है? ओके, तो इसका आंसर होगा हमारा सेकंड. पोस्टीरियर पिट्यूटरी रिलीज करता है वैसोप्रेसिन और स्टिमुलेट करता है डीएब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ वाटर इन द डीसीटी इन नेफ्रॉन. Which one of the following have the highest number of species in nature? So it is, किसकी हैं ये? Insects की. Which one of the following statement is correct? कौन सी statement इनमें से correct है? So it is flower of tulip is a modified shoot. Peptide synthesis inside a cell takes place in, it takes place in ribosomes. Which one of the following group of animal is correctly matched with its one characteristic feature विदाउट इवन ए सिंगल एक्सेप्शन? बिना किसी एक्सेप्शन के कौन सी स्टेटमेंट इनमें से बिल्कुल करेक्ट है? तो ये है थर्ड वन. कॉन्ड्रीसाइट्स पोजेसेस कार्टिलेजिनस एंडोस्केलेटन. लार्ज वुडी वाइन्स आर मोर कॉमनली फाउंड इन, so they are more commonly found in case of tropical rainforest. An organism used as a biofertilizer for raising soybean crop is, तो कौन सा है वो? दैट इज राइजोबियम. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग प्लाज्मा प्रोटीन इज इन्वॉल्व इन द कोगुलेशन ऑफ ब्लड? तो कौन सा इन्वॉल्व है? दैट इज फिब्रिनोजन. इथेनॉल इज कमर्शियली प्रोड्यूस्ड थ्रू ए पर्टिकुलर स्पीसीज ऑफ, सो इट इज Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Which one of the following structural formula of two compound is correctly identified along with its related function? तो कौन सा है इनमें से? ये हमारा फोर्थ, ए लेसिटिन, जो कि क्या एक कंपोनेंट है किसका? सेल मेम्ब्रेन का. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which one of the following organism is not an example of eukaryotic cell? तो क्या होगा इसका हमारा? सेकंड, ई कोलाई. गिवन बिलो इज एन इनकम्प्लीट टेबल अबाउट सर्टेन हॉर्मोन्स, देयर सोर्स ग्लैंड एंड वन मेजर इफेक्ट ऑफ ईच ऑन द बॉडी. तो आइडेंटिफाई करना है ए, बी और सी को. ओके, तो इसका हमारा क्या होगा? फर्स्ट ए ओवरी, बी ग्लूकागॉन और सी क्या होगा? ग्रोथ हॉर्मोन्स. What are those structures that appear as beads on string in chromosome जब उनको हम ऑब्जर्व करते हैं अंडर इलेक्ट्रॉन माइक्रोस्कोप? तो क्या होगा वो? न्यूक्लियोसोम्स, डिस्कवर्ड बाय पी ऑडेट. नाइट्रीफाइंग एंजाइम्स ऑक्सीडाइज अमोनिया टू नाइट्रेट. आर्चिगोनियोपोर इज प्रेजेंट इन मार्केंशिया. There is a restriction endonuclease called EcoR1. What does CO part in it stand for? तो CO किस चीज़ के लिए stand करता है? So CO stands for coli, species का नाम है. A large proportion of oxygen is left unused in the human blood even after its uptake by the body tissue. This O2, तो ये जो ऑक्सीजन है, act as a reserve during muscular exercise. In land plant, the guard cell differ from other epidermal cells in having chloroplast. Which one of the following is the most widely accepted method of contraception in India as at present? So it is IUD. The ciliated columnar epithelial cells in humans are known to occur in second, bronchioles and fallopian tubes. Two friends are eating together on a dining table. One of them suddenly starts coughing while swallowing some food. This coughing would have been due to improper movement of. So quite simple, it is because of epiglottis. What would be the number of chromosomes of the aileron cell of a plant with 42 chromosome in its root tip cell? तो कितना होगा इसका 63. Okay, endosperm. Consider the following four conditions A to D regarding the desert lizard. Okay, तो कौन सी स्टेटमेंट्स इनमें से करेक्ट हैं? So it is second, A and C. Burrowing in soil to escape high temperature and bask in sun when temperature is low. Maximum number of existing transgenic animal is of. It is of mice. Which one of the following statement is correct for secondary succession? So it is second, it occur on a deforested site. In eubacteria, a cellular component that resembles eukaryotic cell is. So it will be plasma membrane. Okay. A collection of plants and seeds having diverse alleles of all the genes of a crop is called, that is known as germplasm. If for some reason the vasa efferentia in human reproductive system get blocked, the gametes will not be transported from testis to epididymis. Which one of the following correctly explain the function of a specific part of human nephron? So it will be first, podocytes create minute space slit pores for the filtration of blood into the woman's capsule. The correct floral formula of chili is, तो कौन सा इनमें से? Second. Arteries are best defined as the vessels which carry blood away from the heart to different organs. Which one of the following is categorized as a parasite in true sense? So it is third, hair louse living on the human scalp as well as laying eggs on the human hair. The testes in humans are situated outside the abdominal cavity inside a pouch called scrotum. तो क्या पर्पज है इस चीज का? Maintaining the scrotal temperature lower than the internal body temperature, 2 to 2.5 degrees Celsius less than body temperature. Which one of the following statement is correct with respect to kidney function regulation? So it is first, when someone drink lot of water, ADH release is suppressed. Agarose extracted from seaweed finds use in case of gel electrophoresis. Which of the following is correctly stated as it happens in the common cockroach? So it is, the food is ground by mandibles and gizzard. Okay, next. Which one of the following also act as a catalyst in a bacterial cell? तो कौन सा है? 23S RNA. Which one of the following act as physiological barrier to the entry of microorganism in human body? So it is tears. The function of leg hemoglobin in the root nodules of legumes is removal of oxygen. The process of RNA interference has been used in the development of plants resistant to nematodes, Meloidigine incognitia. Compared with gametophytes of bryophytes, the gametophyte of vascular plants tends to be smaller and to have smaller sex organs. The gametophyte is not an independent, free-living generation in case of Pinus. The cork, cambium, cork and secondary cortex are collectively called periderm. Which one of the following statement for pyramid of energy is incorrect? Whereas बाकी की जो तीन है वो क्या हैं, करेक्ट हैं. तो इसमें बताना है इनकरेक्ट कौन सी है. सो इट इज थर्ड, इट इज ए इन्वर्टेड इन शेप, जबकि pyramid of energy is always upright. Select the correct option with respect to mitosis. So it is fourth, chromosome move to the spindle equator and get aligned along equatorial plate in metaphase. Uricotalic mode of passing out nitrogenous waste is found in. So it is found in reptiles and birds. Flowers are zygomorphic in case of Gulmohar. Which one of the following statement is correct regarding blood pressure? So it is fourth, 190 upon 110 mmHg may harm vital organs like brain and kidney. MTP is considered safe up to how many weeks of pregnancy? Up to 12 weeks. The ovary is half inferior in flower of. So, in flower of peach. When two unrelated individuals or lines are crossed, the performance of F1 hybrid is often superior to both its parents. This phenomenon is called, this is known as heterosis या hybrid vigor कहते हैं. Mutations can be induced with, so these can be induced with gamma radiations. Which one of the following help in absorption of phosphorus from soil by plants? Glomus, mycorrhiza. When a neuron is in resting state, that is not conducting any impulse, the axonomal membrane is comparatively more permeable to K positive ions and nearly impermeable to Na positive ions. A certain patient is suspected to be suffering from AIDS. Which diagnostic technique will you recommend for its detection? So, it will be ELISA. Continuous addition of sugar in fed batch fermentation is done to. It is done for obtaining antibiotics. Okay. Next, the purpleize red pigment rhodopsin contained in the rods, the type of photoreceptor cells of human eye, is a derivative of. So it is a derivative of vitamin A. Wind pollination is common in. So it is quite common in grasses. Which one of following is wrongly matched? So it is second, Puccinia smut. A drupe develops in mango. Which one of the following enzyme carries out the initial step in digestion of milk in human? So it is renin. CAM help the plant in conserving water. Which one of the following animal is correctly matched with its particular name taxonomic category? So it is tigris, tiger. उसका जो species name है वो tigris. Organisms called methanogens are most abundant in a, तो कहाँ मिलेंगे सबसे ज़्यादा? Cattle yard. What was the most significant trend in the evolution of modern man from his ancestor? So it is increasing brain capacity. Next table दी हुई है. Its two character and its classes phylum are correctly matched. तो ये कौन सा जो है बिल्कुल exactly मैच करता है इनमें से? Okay. सो इट इज सेकंड, सैलमेंड्रा, जो किस में आता है? एम्फीबियंस में. इटिम्फैनम रिप्रेजेंट करता है एयर को, और फर्टिलाइजेशन कैसी है? एक्सटर्नल इन वाटर. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज रॉन्ग इन केस ऑफ भोपाल ट्रेजेडी? सो इट इज थर्ड, रेडियोएक्टिव फॉल आउट एंगल्फ्ड भोपाल. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग शोज मैक्सिमम जेनेटिक डाइवर्सिटी इन इंडिया? सो इट इज राइस. डायग्राम शो किया हुआ है फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम का, तो आइडेंटिफाई करना है और कौन से पार्ट्स इनमें करेक्टली मैच हैं बिल्कुल. ओके, सो इट इज़ सेकंड, जो थर्ड पार्ट है वो रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है इनफंडिबुलम को, फोर्थ फिम्बरी को, और फिफ्थ रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है सर्विक्स को. ए पर्सन विद अननोन ब्लड ग्रुप अंडर ABO सिस्टम हैज सफर्ड मच ब्लड लॉस इन एन एक्सीडेंट एंड नीड्स इमीडिएटेड blood transfusion. His one friend who has a valid certificate of his own blood type offer for blood donation without delay. What would have been the type of blood group of the donor friend? तो कौन सा ब्लड ग्रुप होगा उसके फ्रेंड का? सिंपल, टाइप ओ. नेक्स्ट, कर्व शो किया हुआ है. द कर्व गिवन बिलो शोज एंजाइमेटिक एक्टिविटी विद रिलेशन टू 3 कंडीशन: pH, टेम्परेचर एंड सबस्ट्रेट कंसंट्रेशन. व्हाट डू द 2 एक्सिस x एंड y रिप्रेजेंट? तो किस चीज़ को रिप्रेजेंट कर रही हैं x और y? सो दे आर रिप्रेजेंटिंग सेकंड. x रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है टेम्परेचर को और y रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है एंजाइम की एक्टिविटी को. ओके, थैंक्स अ लॉट.